So in this question, again we have to find the four basis function, because of the number of signals are 4, because number of signals are 4, that is n should be less than or equal to m. So maximum number of basis function will be 4, that is 5 1 of t, 5 2 of t, 5 3 of t, and 5 4 of t. The exactly same procedure in the previous. So but only the difference is we are getting the only t's, वहाँ पे रियल वैल्यूज, यहाँ पे वैल्यूज दी हुई थी, यहाँ पर इन टर्म्स ऑफ वी विल गेट ऑल द थिंग्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ कैपिटल टी. ठीक है, बस फर्क इतना है, बाकी पूरा प्रोसीजर आपको पूरा का पूरा प्रोसीजर सेम है. बस आई विल गो थोरोली फ्रॉम दिस न्यूमेरिकल फॉर दिस न्यूमेरिकल. सो 5 1 of t is equals to again the same formula, s1 of t divided by square root of its energy. So find E1 of E1. ठीक है, according to the formula with the value of E1 will be range of integration will be 0 to t by 3, because of the range of s1 of t is 0 to t by 3. Now substitute the value and solve the integration. You will get E1 is equals to t by 3. ठीक है, and 5 1 of t will get 1 upon square root of t by 3 for the range of t is 0 to t by 3, capital T by 3. ठीक है, so 5 1 of t is equals to under root 3 by t. Now you can plot 5 1 of t. So 5 1 of t is equals to under root 3 by t from 0 to t by 3. ठीक है, सिमिलरली द सेकंड बेस फंक्शन, बिल्कुल सेम प्रोसीजर है, प्रीवियस न्यूमेरिकल में जो था पूरा पूरा वही है, कुछ भी अलग नहीं है. ठीक है, प्रोसीजर पूरा वही है. सो g2 of t is equals to s2 of t minus s21 5 1 of t. ठीक है, नाउ वन बाय वन वी विल फाइंड द कंपोनेंट्स. सो s21 के लिए फार्मूला वही रहेगा, अगेन द सेम थिंग, s2 of t, रेंज ऑफ s2 of t एंड 5 1 of t. ठीक है, सो यू विल गेट s21 is equals to under root t by 3. ठीक है, सिमिलरली द डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट, नाउ यू विल फाइंड द न्यूमरेटर पार्ट विच इज g2 of t is equals to this. सो g2 of t is equals to आपको मिल रहा है 0 मिल रहा है, t between 0 to t by 3 and 1, you are getting 1 from t between t by 3 to 2t by 3. So there is only one range for g2 of t which is 1, value is 1 for t between t by 3 to 2t by 3. Now denominator part, ठीक है, so denominator part आपको मिल जा रहा है under root t by 3. So 5 2 of t you are getting under root 3 by t for the range t by 3 to 2t by 3. ठीक है, इसका एक ही रेंज है. नाउ यू कैन प्लॉट 5 2 of t. सो 5 2 of t इज अंडर रूट 3 by t फ्रॉम t by 3 to 2t by 3. ठीक है, सिमिलरली द थर्ड बेस फंक्शन 5 3 of t. सो 5 3 of t इक्वल टू g3 of t डिवाइडेड बाय स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ g3 इंटीग्रेशन 0 to t g3 स्क्वायर of t dt. ठीक है, नाउ द फार्मूला फॉर g3 of t इज इक्वल टू द सेम फार्मूला इज देयर, कोई चेंज नहीं है. ठीक, सिर्फ वैल्यू का फर्क है. ठीक है, सो यू विल गेट s31 इज इक्वल टू 0, s32 equal to under root t by 3 and g3 of t. Now substitute the values of s31 s32 in the formula of g3 of t. So you will get 0 for the range 0 to t by 3, 0 for the range t by 3 to 2t by 3 and 1 for 2t by 3 to t. Now the denominator part will be integration 0 to t g3 square of t dt. Now substitute the value and range of g3 of t. So integration 0 to 2t by 3 to t and 1 square. So you will get the denominator part as under root t by 3. So and substitute in the formula for 5 3 of t. So you will get under root value is it should be square root of 3 by t 2t by 3 to t. ठीक है, it should be square root of 3 by t, not only 3 by t. So you can plot the 5 3 of t. In the plot it is correct. ठीक है, so the value of 5 3 of t is under root t by 3 by t for the range 2t by 3 to t. Similarly fourth basis function 5 4 of t, again the same formula, g4 of t is equals to s4 of t as minus s41 5 1 of t minus s4 to 5 2 of t minus s43 5 3 of t. One by one you will find the components, that is s41 s42 s43. ठीक है, now substitute in the value formula for g4 of t. So you will get 0 for 0 to 2t by 0 to t by 3, again 0 for t by 3 to 2t by 3, again 0 for 2t by 3 to t. So the value of g4 of t is 0. ठीक है, completely उसकी वैल्यू क्या है, 0 है. So 5 4 of t is ultimately 0. So 5 4 of t will be also 0. So and you can plot all the base function in single diagram, that is phi 1 of t, phi 2 of t,